Hello guys, kindly check this application out. Now, this is just a navbar I'm designed with Next.js and Clerk. Okay, so Next.js and Clerk, what we're going to do is we will need the about session. We have services. Then there's another one here, which is what dashboard. You only see it after you've logged in. So let's log in with what's the name? With So I'm using this email generator. Okay, so we generate an email and copy, and we use that to create the account. Okay, so I paste it there. Don't let me say what um yeah, password ready. Okay, verify. So it has sent an verify email to into our. So we copy that. Then we paste it again. Either that. So you can see when I log in, it shows the dashboard. It's the hello dashboard, and it gives me the name here. Then you have logout here also. That's that, guys. So without wasting my time, let's begin. Thank you very much. Let's begin by creating a folder for application. Let's call it app folder. Okay, app and f where the app folder I get. So that is done. Let's go to our command line. Let's go to drive D. Then inside drive D, let's look at the app folder. So we'll say cd app folder. Yeah. So inside the app folder, what do we do? Let's check our plan. Yeah, the first thing is to what? Create Next.js. So let's do that. And we'll click enter. Good. It says what? Let's keep everything to default. So yeah, default, everything default. Good. Let me take it up a little. Good. So app is created. So what do we do next? Let's check our plan. We need the shard CN. But before that, we need to load it in the IDE. We're not using VS Code. We are using Tray. Let's check it out. This is what I'm talking about, Tray. Okay, Tray has some free tier, and I think we should give it a try. You can check this. We have 1,000 requests, then 5,000 to complete per month. But this is so generous. I think let's try it out. So let's go to Tray. Register and what? Download it. Then let's see. Let's go to folder, open folder. Drive D. Then the name of it what? App folder. Yeah. A. That's it. So my app can we tell it that. So that is that. Yes. Okay. Any delete this one. The answers. Good. And this is what you are going to work with. Make it bigger. Yeah, I think it's cool now. So let's run it. We need terminal. So inside the terminal, go terminal is loaded. Let's before we run it, let's just add the install the to do the installation. So the next is what? .cn in it. So good. Let's check it up. Yeah. So that is that. I think we should stick to the defaults. Great. .cn is installed. Let's go to the next plan again. Yes, at the bottom. Good. What next? Let's check the parent. We had icons. So let's do that too. Okay. Sorry, good. Good. Trace React account is installed. Let's check the next one. Yeah, Clerk. Let's install Clerk. Then we're ready. Great job. Now we can run it with the say npm run dev. So 3,000 ports. Let's check that out. Yeah. Good. App is working. So what next? Let's create the navbar. Okay. Go back to train. Let's put this thing down and go to folder. No, the navbar, I like to put it in components. Okay, so let's go to components and create a folder and call it what? Common. Then inside common, let's create a file and call it what? Navbar. Navbar, that's TSS. Good. So over here, what do we do? What do we do here? Let's call our AI and say what? Give us what? Give us Navbar with what? Navbar with logo on the left. On the left. Then on the left, then what in the middle? We have then home. Home what? Services. About and and dashboard. And dashboard in the middle. So finally, what on the right? We have register, and login one in the right. Register and login on the right. Finally, add icons to them. I can. And let's put a full stop. Say add icons to the register and login. Register and login. So I think this simple prompts. Let's check it out. Dude, our Navbar is ready. Yeah, it's ready. Press save it. Now where to go? Let's go to. We need to configure it. Let's go to layout. So let's go to app. Then look at layout. Then we import the navbar. Let's say import navbar. Yeah. Then let's call it inside. Yeah, over here. So here I get navbar. Save it. Then let's check our screen. Can see it's ready. Our logo didn't come. Why didn't our logo come? Okay, the logo is there. Let's just put the image there. You will see if I can get some image. Let's check where this thing is. The number. I didn't put there. Okay. SRC logo.png. That will be the public folder. So, public folder. Yeah, public folder here. So let me get the logo. Yeah. So I drag the logo here to the public folder and let's see. Good. So what next? There's our logo. Yeah, that's that. Now let's run it again. The error is supposed to go, but let's see. And so what happened here? And my run it here, and then let's see. Yeah, logo is ready. Alright, there we go. Put to the back. Oh, come on. I'll call in touch. Let's make it 40. 40. See? Like here. Yeah, that's cool. So, what next? Okay, now let's make all workable. We have the home is working. Let's add services to make it way. Services about and dashboard. So let's do that. Then before we come to register and login. So let's do that services account and dashboard. So let's go to app, create a folder and app, right? Yeah, this app. So let's create a folder inside and call it what? Services. There. Then inside that we have a page.tss. Then over here, let's call our control I. And still AI, that's what create what? Hello services. Hello services in the middle of the page. Simple like that. Let me copy it right to the next one. We just paste it in. I'll copy that then. It's an accept. That is that. Let's save it. Let's go to the next one. It services. Next one is what? About. So back to the app again. Then we say another folder. Let's call it about. So we say about. And inside that, we create a page.tss. And inside that, control I. Then we paste our command there. By this time, let's make it what? About. Good. It's created. Accept. Save. Then about is done. Next is what? Dashboard. Okay. Another folder. Let's call it dashboard. Dashboard and dashboard. Okay. Inside dashboard, let's create a file and call it what? Page.tss. So over here, control I. Then we paste it there and say dashboard. Dash VORD. Good. Accept. Save. Good. Now let's check our navbar again. Control P. Navbar. Oh, good. And then let's see if they all have the names that we've given them. Yeah, the home services. Okay. About. That's it, the link. They all have the link. Dashboard, they all have it. So now let's save it and check it out if it's working. So when you come here, services is working. Let's check dashboard. Dashboard is working. About is working. Home too is working. So now next thing to do is the register and what to log in. So before we do the register and login, we need to, since we are using Clerk to handle the register and login, we need to if you installed it already. So let's configure the Clerk. To configure it, we need to go to the layouts. So let's go to layouts and import Clerk provider. So we import a Clerk provider. All right, guys. Now let's go to domain and wrap it. Okay. So over here we call it over here. So we say Clerk. Yeah, good. Nice one. That Okay, no, I didn't write the type it right. Okay, okay. No, let's do it manually. So over here to collect provider. Right, guys. So let's check it out. Yeah, plug provider. So that is that. And what next? Okay, collect provider is ready. So what do we do? Let's handle the sign in and sign out. So over here, it creates what's the name? In the app folder here, it creates a route for them. So in the app folder, we say create a folder and call it what? Sign in. Sign dash in. Now this is from default from Clerk, so we use the same thing. Then inside that we have our page.tss. So we do likewise for the what's the name? The sign up too. So inside the app folder, we create a folder and then call it what? Sign up. Sign up, good. Then inside the sign up, let's create a file and call it page dot. A lot of space is that. Page.tss. Good. Now let's put the code over here. So this is the code for sign up. Check it out. You can see how it is. Yeah, you can change the BG background, everything over here, and make it 7. But save it. Then we'll do this likewise for still sign up. So sign in. So we go to sign in. Then and we put our code there. Good. So the sign in. Also, I want to do it 5 MB. 700 rather, so not good. Save it. Then let's check. App out. Let's run it again. Let's see. Okay. Let me click the register. What do we get? Okay, the Navbar is registered. You see, when you come here, it's registered. I should what? Sign up. So let's go and handle that. Sorry, not VS Code Stray. So Navbar, Control P, give you the other files. And Navbar, register. Yeah, so over here we change it to, what's the name? Sign up. The folder is called sign up. Then do likewise for login. So over here to sign in. Let's save it. Right, check it out. So print out. Then I go back again. You can see we have a UI for register already. And let's take login to. We have our UI for login also ready. So now what do we do? You need to try it out. Is that not it? Is that? So how do we try it out? We go to the, what's the name? What's this guy's name? Click, then register. Then after that, log in. When you log in, we come to Next.js. This sort to get, it says what? Install. We've done that already. Now the env file, env file. Okay, env file. I have this thing here, sample here. I would like to share with you. So no, I'll add this file to the codes. Okay, let's go to our tray. Then create the env file. Okay, make env file. The console. Then file. Yeah, let's call it env dot local. So that's that .env local. Let me paste a sample there. So this is it. Perishable key and click key, and that's that, guys. Let's go to the API key. Let's go look at the API key here. Yeah, it has it here. So let's copy that and go back and paste it. So paste it here. So let's take this one off. Come on. Yeah. So that is that. Perishable key and everything is ready. So let's go to the next one, which is the middleware. Copy that too. Then we locate let's say click out. Then we create a file and call it middleware. .ts. We paste that there. Save it. Save the .env too. Then first, yeah, we're done. We've done the configuration already. Yeah. Start is done. Okay. npm run there. We apply it. npm run there. So let's see. Yeah, it's running of it. Yeah, okay, we can run it again. Let's close that and no permit again. Okay. Good. So now let's run it. npm run dev. Yeah. So let's check it out. Localhost. Good. So it's working. Now what do we need? Now if I log in, I don't want to see the register and login. Give me hi with your email and avatar. So let's go back and tell AI at the navbar and tell it that control I tell that don't show what register and login buttons when I log in. Rather show what's the name? Show hi then email um don't add at sign. Don't add the rest of the email after the at sign. Is it after? No, before the at. Huh? What am I saying? Don't write the rest of email with the at symbol, with the what? At symbol, space, symbol, and the rest. Chinta and man. What again? Next. Sorry. Next. Add what? Add the avatar. When we click, okay, so I think it's going to come. Let's add the avatar. I think that's it. So let's check it out first. So click accept. And that's it. Yeah. So that is that, guys. Yeah. So that's this, guys. So what do we do next? Okay, let's check everything. If everything is good. Services. So there. Listen, the dashboard will be hiding. When we log in, it's what? It's before we see it. So what do we do? Let's log in, right? We register already. Okay, let's go on another registration with a different email. Let's see. So let's go to I'll copy another one. Look, yeah. Take this guy off. And let's see another one. Let's see. Good. So let's check it out. Refresh. Good. Oh, MK. Is that it? Come on, this thing is messed up. What we are doing is okay. That's it. MK. Yeah, that's it. So let's copy it and okay. Yeah, you can see it gives us high MK. Then it gives us the dashboard. Then we can log out here. Can manage account here. Or log out here. So we can log out. Let's log out. Simple. We see that, guys. So that is that, guys. Yeah, that is that. Don't forget to do good. Thank you for sticking through. Catch you in the next one. See ya.